Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off push notifications from the Rumble app on your Android phone. If you're getting too many alerts or just want a distraction-free experience, this guide will help you quickly and easily disable those notifications. First, locate the Rumble app icon on your Android. Next, press and hold on the Rumble icon until a small menu appears. Then, tap on the option that says App Info. This will open the settings page for the Rumble app. After that, find and tap on the option labeled Manage Notifications. Finally, toggle off the switch next to Allow Notifications. This will completely stop the app from sending you push notifications. That's all it takes to disable push notifications from the Rumble app on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more quick tech tips and tutorials.